Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger restricted account. To know how to fix or how to solve a Messenger restricted account, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll search about Messenger. Here we go to click on force stop and you click OK. After that we go to click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store, you will search about Messenger, you can click update here, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode, you can click, you will wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.